Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I'll be reviewing a couple of sheet masks that are newly introduced in Indian market and are quite a hype nowadays. Let's first open and see how these masks look like and their claims, and then I would give you my reviews in this video after using them myself. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So here we have two masks. This one is in gold color and looks really pretty. It's actually quite thicker than the usual masks I have used before. I've used both Face Shop and Innisfree masks, but this is kind of like a gel and you can see how there's a lot of fluid inside. It says Gold Facial Crystal Collagen Mask Series mask. Both of these are from the brand Monsub and they're also new to Indian market. Here it says how to use and its main features. It says moisturizing and rehydrating, brightening and smoothing, accelerating cell renewal, tightening, lifting and anti-wrinkle. It is suitable for all skin types, especially dry skin, aging skin and lacking elasticity skin. This is a 60-gram product and it is for one-time usage. So this is the Gold Facial Mask. And the second one is the Collagen Silk Mask Series. It says anti-wrinkle, moisturizing, brightening, bring you a smooth and youthful appearance, perfectly suitable for dry skin, mature and prematurely aging skin. This is an anti-wrinkle and moisturizing facial mask of net weight 30 grams. This is again for a one-time usage. Here we have the ingredients, benefits and the usage. It claims that it is formulated with several plant extracts. So I'll use both these products and get back to you with the review. Abhi gayi or abhi aayi. And I'm back. Both these masks were very moisturizing or hydrating on skin. My skin felt very soft and supple after applying this. Also, I felt they had a little brightening effect on my face. Skin looked visibly lighter and glowy immediately after applying this. So that gave the mask a big thumbs up. Even though I have sensitive skin, neither of these broke me out. In fact, I had some shrunk bumps earlier before applying this and they kind of subsided completely. So no issues on that front. The gold one had a lot of extra serum which I could apply for a couple of days later. And this serum was non-sticky and you can leave it after removing the mask. However, for the collagen mask, you need to rinse it off with water. The collagen sheet came in between two more sheets, which was new to me. Max I had seen two sheets together. So this was the first layer, this was the other layer, and the real sheet was inside both of these layers. This is how the sheet was. It is still a little sticky. The reason was that the sheet of this collagen mask was very thin, unlike the Korean masks from the Face Shop or Innisfree that I have used. So the advantage here was that it stuck to the face perfectly like a second layer of skin, but it was not the same with the gold mask. I'll show you how it is. This is how the mask is. I have already used it. It is like a rubber or gel kind of thing and it's very thick. It was even thicker before applying and it's very delicate too. So because of this texture or this material, it just could not reach the area around my nose and I had to hold it with my fingers to make the mask fit properly. But it was looking kind of different and funny, so I liked that experience. So that was my entire experience with these masks. I cannot comment on the anti-wrinkle or anti-aging aspect of it because my skin is not much matured yet, but they fared quite well on their other claims. Overall, I enjoyed using both these masks. I have received few more masks from Monsub in my July subscriptions. One is Gold Eye Mask and there is a 3D Pearl Mask for both face and neck. Definitely looking forward to trying them. Do let me know if you would like to see a detailed review on them as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you used any of these masks, do share your experience in the comments so that others can benefit as well. And if you haven't subscribed already, Please do subscribe, I would really appreciate it, and participate in the giveaway if you like. The link will be in the description box. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.